ओह! आई नेवर रियलाइज्ड आई एम ऑनलाइन। ओके। अ, जैसे बोला जाता था ना कि इनकी त्वचा से इनकी उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता। प्रोबेबली यस, इस लैपटॉप को यूज़ करते और मैकबुक को यूज़ करते हुए टाइम का पता ही नहीं चलता। इट इज़ अ, very engaging, I would say. Now, I have been using it for some time. Yes, it is MacBook Neo. The first, I would say, now step in the MacBook hierarchy. Uh, अब आपके पास Neo है at the entry level, then you have Air, and finally you have the Pro. So Apple ने बहुत अच्छे से एक ladder बनाया where one can, kind of over a period of time evolve as per needs. एंड ज़रूरी नहीं है आप इवॉल्व करोगे, आपका बहुत सारा यूज़ केस, देयर आर मेनी यूज़र्स जिनके लिए दिस विल सफाइस ऑल थ्रू देयर करियर और ऑल थ्रू देयर यूसेज ऑफ computers or personal computers. So I have this indigo color and I have been using it for some while. So this is the actual color, how it looks like. And yes, you can see बहुत ही प्रीमियम लुक है, very light to carry. It is almost of the same weight of MacBook Air. And look at its display, very very bright. And keypad भी बहुत ही अच्छा है. Yes, the only thing जो मुझे keypad में miss लग रहा है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इसको यूज़ करेंगे एंड स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि इवनिंग्स में इन देयर बेड्स दे यूज़ दीज डिवाइसेस आइदर टू कंज्यूम सम कंटेंट और डू देयर स्टफ. तो उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता है एक बैकलाइट कीबोर्ड होना चाहिए बिकॉज आई डोंट नो समहाउ आई फाइंड दिस यंगर जनरेशन loving to work in dim lights and all that. तो थोड़ा मुझे वहाँ पे लगता है बट अदरवाइज आई हैव बीन यूजिंग. I don't have any complaints. If I look at what maybe 60-70% of the users do with a laptop, I think this is there to serve all those purposes. और मुझे एक so it's not just for students, but when I look at like small enterprises, so India में ना we have this very good classification of MSME, which is micro, small, and medium enterprises. तो मुझे लगता है micro enterprises में this can be a very this is the MacBook for micro enterprises जहाँ पे एक small offices हैं. तो अभी तक मैंने what I have observed is in many of such micro enterprises the boss would have मैकबुक बट जो जिसको सच में काम करना होता है उसके पास अच्छा लैपटॉप नहीं होता. उनके पास i3s, i5s, i5 तो बड़ी बात है, i3 भी होते हैं एंड दे आर यूज मेड टू वर्क ऑन दोज सच लाउजी बोरिंग लैपटॉप्स. But I think now they also stand a chance. They will also get an equally good laptop as their boss would be carrying. So I think, if this laptop, this MacBook Neo, it addresses both the sides. It gives you that it satiates your aspiration because we have to understand now younger generation is joining workforce, is joining workplaces. So उनके लिए they deserve good looking devices, good looking gadgets at the workplace. So it satiates that desire also. And at the same time, it gives you tons of power, tons of compute, what you need for your, 60-70% of the tasks. लेकिन इसके beyond high level computing, high level processing, which means आपको शायद बहुत बड़ी एक maybe एक Excel file process करनी है, बहुत data process करना है, उसके लिए maybe this may not work. बियॉन्ड अ सर्टेन लेवल पे हमने यूज़ किया इसको, इस पे एक्सेल पे हमने अच्छे से काम कर पाए बट आई एम सेइंग बियॉन्ड अ सर्टेन लेवल बहुत ही हेवी फाइल अगर होगी वहाँ पे यस इट माइट नॉट बी एज इफेक्टिव. और in case of maybe maybe very professional editing of video or such high compute uh, tasks maybe wahan pe this may not suffice and that is absolutely fine. That's why Pro is there or Air is there and that's how it works. So that's really interesting. मुझे लगता है very important addition and this only मेरे को ये नियो देखकर it's not just that they have done it nice. I'm sure like device तो एप्पल अच्छा कर ही लेता But जो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, in this, and for which I want to compliment Apple, is the business acumen, is the thought behind it, which I'm going to talk about that thought process more in some of the content, some of the blog or video in coming days. And I have been gathering, the business thought behind this, gathering some thoughts around it, so which I will be surely sharing with you. But for now, yes, sharing this MacBook Neo, very good device, and yes, I'm in love with it. I'm sure others who would be using it will find it very, very useful. And there are very good, as usual, student, discounts on it. तो आपको ये बहुत ही affordable price पे मिल सकता है. That's what I have to share about it. I'll be with you with some more stuff very shortly.